Hi everyone, this is just a little video to show you how to enter a Tuesday afternoon detention for your students, and this will be linked to a calendar item which will show which day the student is on, or the student will see which day they're on, the parent, and the administration and the person on detention duty will be able to see who is supposed to be there and be able to mark it as completed or not completed. So this is what you do. So you go to the top and the screen, you search for a student. So for example, if I choose Hayden Johnson, once you get to his profile, you go to a pastoral care entry. So you would not enter this normally as you would a pastoral care issue. So pastoral care entries. Oh, wait a minute. So there's no records found. So we would need to pastoral care entries. So there's none. So there's none there. So you would need to add new. So new, and once you get this screen up here, you would need to enter what the type of the incident is. For example, if this is an online bullying issue, you don't really need a subject. You can't enter that. The conduct might be maybe he's been bullying, harassing online, and he's been given a Tuesday afternoon. Now, once you get to outcome, if you choose Tuesday afternoon detention, because we've linked it to a calendar item, as soon as you tick that, it'll come over here and pop up in the calendar. So it will pop up on the student's calendar and the parent's calendar. So you can then select which day. So, which are you doing it next Tuesday, the following, etc., etc. So once you choose the day, it'll come up as not completed. Now, you still must have prior rung the parents. So you would tick parent contact because you've already phoned home and communicated the reason for this detention happening, and the parent has acknowledged this. So that's prior requisite for this. So then you copy in your information. So for example, online bullying with other student, or whatever it is you've got there, and then you would just click submit. Now once you click submit, that will enable Louise to get a list of who's on that afternoon. It will allow the parents to be reminded about picking their child up. You notice that all of these end at 5 p.m. and it'll remind the student. So there should be no paper attached to this kind of activity anymore. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, good luck.